In this short tutorial, I will show you how to follow people on Roblox. Following someone is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up the Roblox mobile app and then go over to the profile of the person you want to follow. You can tap on the search button at the top right and search for their username. Tap People. Then tap and select their profile from the search results. What you want to do next is bring this up and tap on the View Full Profile button. Once you are on their profile, tap on these three little dots on the right side. Then simply tap Follow. Now you've successfully followed that person on Roblox. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.